What's up, everybody? It's your boy Andre. We're back here at the Harley-Davidson garage. If you're looking for a way to bring a passenger on your Street Glide ST or Road Glide ST, then stick around, because this ST Essentials package is exactly what you've been looking for. First things first, your passenger is going to need a comfortable place to sit. So the low-profile leather bucket seat is included to give your second rider the comfort and cushion they need. Your riding partner will also appreciate the additional support from the Harley-Davidson Detachables short Sissy bar upright and compact backrest pad. They can just sit back and enjoy the ride. Streamliner passenger pegs round out the package and give your passenger a solid place to put their feet. This kit also includes the necessary hardware for mounting and securing the parts, which includes the 4-point docking hardware kit, a pillion screw, and passenger peg supports. This kit fits onto your 2021 or newer Street Glide ST or Road Glide ST. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harley-davidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer.